Hey guys! Welcome back to BoxHero's YouTube channel. Side hustles and multiple streams of income are super important in today's economy, and dropshipping has become popular among entrepreneurs and working professionals alike. Today, we'll be doing a deep dive into the world of dropshipping and taking a look at the essential role of inventory to succeed in the business. First things first. Dropshipping is a business model for the retail e-commerce industry in which you, the vendor, can sell products to customers without holding physical inventory. You'll maintain an online storefront, and when a customer places an order, you send the order details to another company who ships the product straight to the customer. The seller handles inventory warehousing and order fulfillment, while you act as the middleman between the customer and supplier. There are lots of pros to starting your dropshipping business. Since you don't need to store inventory, you can run your business from anywhere. You'll just need a laptop and reliable internet connection. Startup costs are also pretty low for dropshipping since there's no upfront investment required. You don't need to invest thousands of dollars in inventory like a traditional brick-and-mortar store. There's also low risk involved with dropshipping since you won't be stuck with unsold products. And you don't need to purchase a product unless you've already made the sale that was paid by the customer. Plus, you can offer a large selection of products and change or rotate the product list without worrying about unsold inventory. Of course, with any business, there are many challenges involved in the world of dropshipping, the most obvious being high competition. Since anyone can become a dropshipper, you need to make your business stand out in this competitive market. This means you may have to sell items at extremely low prices that could hurt your profit margin. Managing inventory is also a tough challenge for dropshippers. Since you're sourcing from multiple warehouses which are also fulfilling orders for other merchants, inventory is always changing. More distributors means more challenges to get the orders to the customers, and different suppliers have different shipping times and locations as well. This leads to another challenge: potential supplier errors. You will not be able to have full control of the customer experience since you need to rely on the suppliers. If a supplier makes a mistake in fulfilling orders, you have to take responsibility and deal with the customer complaint. Even though you're not holding physical stock, you need to keep a close eye on the suppliers. Specifically, you should make sure you sync the data from distributors with your online store. This includes product data and information like product identifiers or SKUs, quantities, cost, product titles, and descriptions. Proper inventory management is essential because it prevents you from going out of stock so that customers can rely on you and do repeat business. It also accounts for product changes, especially if suppliers make products disappear from their feed when there's no stock. And finally, it responds to changes in supplier inventory. Since you're sourcing from a shared pool of inventory as a dropshipper, it's important to have the latest information from your suppliers who are also serving other customers. It's a buzzing term, but dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to put in a lot of time, effort, and dedication to get your business running and successful. Inventory is an important part of dropshipping, and you need to make sure that your stock is accurate and that the information between you, your suppliers, and your website is passing correctly. Using an inventory management software like BoxHero can help you simplify this process. You can set the minimum inventory quantities with your suppliers by using the low stock alert feature on BoxHero when the supplier's inventory falls below a certain threshold. You can also record important product information for your dropshipping business such as SKU, inventory quantity, cost, product title, description, image, and even categories. You can check out more features on BoxHero with the free 30-day trial, so head over to our homepage to learn more. Well, that's a wrap for today. Happy dropshipping and may your profits soar!